So there was question 8a and question 8b. So question 8a reads as follows. It is given that the universal set E is equal to first 8 whole numbers and set A is equal to even numbers least set A. Okay, so first you need to understand what whole numbers are and what even numbers are. So let's start with whole numbers. Whole numbers, these are counting numbers including 0. So these are counting numbers including 0. So when you start counting, you start 1, 2, up to whatever. So those numbers including what? 0. Okay, then the first 8 whole numbers are these. Okay, the first 8 whole numbers are these. Now be careful that you don't include 8, because immediately you write 8 as well, that means the numbers are 9. Okay, so if you count from 0, you find that when you reach 8, there will be 8 numbers. So these are the first 8 whole numbers. These are the first 8 whole numbers. Now from this we need to come up with the set A. Now set A, we are told that it's a set of even numbers. So what we're going to do is we are going to find even numbers from this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write set A, then open brackets. Okay, once I've done that, then I'm going to write the first even number, which is 0. Then the second one is 2. Now remember, even numbers, these are numbers that are divisible by 2. Even numbers, these are numbers that are divisible by 2. So the third one is 4. And the fourth one is 6. Okay, these are the numbers that are found in this universal set that are divisible by 2. So set A is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6. Okay. All right, now we go to question B, which is a certain company sells shares at 1.3 per share. A businesswoman had 9,100 kwacha to buy shares. How many shares did she buy? So what we need to do here is simple. We just need to divide the amount the businesswoman had by the cost of one share. So we can say 9,100 divided by, that should be 1.3 kwacha. Okay, 9,100 divided by 1.3 kwacha. So when you divide that, if you're allowed to go in with a calculator solely in the exam, you can just punch in these numbers in your calculator and then they'll give you the answer. So the answer, the shares the businesswoman bought were 7,000 shares. So the businesswoman bought 7,000 shares in 9,100 kwacha when the shares were sold at 1.3 kwacha. Okay, so these were the answers examiners were expecting from you. Let's go to question number 9.